Dear members of the media, today I would like to officially announce that the Ministry of Agriculture and Waterways will have the National Agriculture Show from the 15th to the 18th of October 2024 at the Valelevo grounds in Nasimo, with the theme Empowering Farmers, Cultivating Resilience through Innovation and Inclusiveness in Climate-Smart Agriculture. This premier event will bring together farmers, industry leaders, agricultural experts, and enthusiasts from across the nation to celebrate the latest advancements in agriculture and sustainable practices. We will be showcasing the services that we provide on a daily basis in our stations across Fiji, and also educate the general public on the importance of agriculture and how we must work together to grow the agriculture sector in the country.